Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. That is Said Mohammed Shah Gujarati Hospital at village SIROHI, Gambardpur, Sindh, Pakistan. And that hospital belonged related with the NGO Ghulam Qadir SIROHI Memorial Trust, and this project construction company Ghulam Qadir Hajra SIROHI and Olad Co, and I am from that construction company. This is our work in this company. I am laborer, I am mason, I am responsible officer of that company, and all buildings. That is Said Mohammed Shah Gujarati Hospital at village SIROHI and above, and see that DPC Jama Masjid Hasnain are related with me or construction company.